Introducing the Dr. Infrared Heater Portable Space Heater, a cutting-edge heating solution designed and engineered in the USA. This versatile heater boasts an advanced dual heating system, exceptional room coverage, and a built-in humidifier to provide unparalleled comfort during the cold winter months. With a strong focus on safety, energy efficiency, and durability, it's the perfect addition to any home seeking efficient and reliable heating. Join us as we delve deeper into the features and benefits of this remarkable heating appliance. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Efficient heating performance. This space heater is a remarkable heating solution designed and engineered in the USA. It boasts an advanced dual heating system that combines an infrared quartz tube with a PTC, positive temperature coefficient, element. This innovative combination results in exceptional heating performance, offering you 1,500 watts of power with the flexibility of high and low temperature settings ranging from 50 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. Effective room coverage. This heater is not only powerful, but also capable of heating a large room effectively. With its dual heating system, it can generate approximately 5,200 BTUs of warmth, making it a reliable choice for providing comfort during cold winters. Number 3. Built-in humidifier. One standout feature of this heater is its built-in humidifier. This humidifier produces a cool mist, adding much-needed moisture to dry winter air. This combination of heating and humidifying ensures that your living space remains comfortable, eliminating the discomfort of dry, heated indoor air. Number 4. Safety features. Safety is a top priority with this heater. It is equipped with both tip-over protection and overheat protection, giving you peace of mind when using it in your home. Additionally, it has a 12-hour automatic shutoff timer, providing an extra layer of safety and energy-saving convenience. Number 5. Materials and design. Constructed from galvanized steel, this heater is built to last. Its sturdy and durable design ensures that it can withstand daily use and continue to deliver reliable heating performance. Number 6. Energy efficiency. This heater comes with an energy-saving auto mode, which intelligently cycles between high and low settings to maintain your desired temperature. This feature not only saves energy, but also helps reduce heating bills. Number 7. Quiet operation. This heater incorporates a high-velocity, low-noise blower for efficient heat distribution. Despite its powerful heating capabilities, it operates quietly, ensuring minimal disruption in your living space. Number 8. Safety certification. This space heater is certified by Underwriters Laboratories, UL, in both the USA and Canada, meeting stringent safety standards. It is safe for use around children and pets, as it only becomes warm to the touch and lacks exposed heating elements that could pose a fire hazard. Number 9. Warranty and accessories. This heater comes with a generous 3-year parts and components limited warranty, ensuring your investment is protected. It also includes a remote controller and user manual for added convenience. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 13 inches, depth by 12 inches, width by 15 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Advanced dual heating system for efficient warmth. Effective heating for large rooms. Built-in humidifier adds moisture to dry air. Tip over and overheat protection for safety. 1 reason not to buy. May not be suitable for very small spaces. Conclusion. The Dr. Infrared Heater Portable Space Heater is a highly efficient, safe, and versatile heating solution. With its combination of advanced heating technologies, built-in humidifier, and safety features, it's an excellent choice for keeping your home warm and comfortable during the winter months. Whether you need to heat a bedroom, home office, or study room, this heater is up to the task, making it a valuable addition to your home heating arsenal. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.